how to trim, split and cut videos on InShot video editor. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be walking through how to trim, split or cut videos using InShot editor app. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the InShot app on your phone. And once you are in the app, simply tap on the video and select the clip that you want to edit. And this will open up the editing interface. And once your video is loaded, you can simply tap on the option labeled precut, and here you will see three options. Trim. This allows you to shorten your video by adjusting the start and end points. Another is cut. This feature will help you to remove a specific section from the middle of the video. And last is split. This feature lets you to divide your video into multiple parts. And if you tap on split, you can choose to split the video once or use multi-split at the bottom right corner to divide into multiple sections. For example, if you split it into 5 times and tap on down, you will end up with 5 separate video clips. And now that your video is divided into sections, you can apply filters, effects and color adjustment to each clip individually. And once you're happy with the edit, and that's it. That's how you can trim, split or cut videos on InShot video editor. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.